Hi, this is a quick demonstration of the ChemiCall software that comes with the CPA200 and calorimeters from Cirrus. I'm actually controlling this one remotely. I'm about a third of a mile from where the actual calorimeter is located, but this calorimeter is extremely stable software, so actually you can do things like, as I am today, remotely controlling. Anyway, back to the software. The system comes with two pieces of software. There's the ChemiCall, which is your control and real-time control of the calorimeter, and there's the CC report, which is your post-analysis, you do differentiation, integration, etc. on your data. So today I'm just going to talk about the ChemiCall. I have the calorimeter actually up and running at the moment. So when you first open up the software, by default it opens on a configuration. Configuration is a kind of description of the hardware that you've got. So I have a number of setups, and you can create new ones just by right clicking, but I have one open at the moment. So the first window that is which jumps up at you is configuration. Then there's real time. Real time is telling us effectively what the calorimeter is doing at that very moment in time. So at the moment the reactor temperature is at 40 degrees C, the reference temperature is at 40.19 degrees C. It's telling us that the total power is about just under 1 watt, which is complete correlation with this validation power. What's happening is I have an internal heater, and at the moment I've got that turned on. And so there's a correlation between the total power that the reactor is seeing and the total power that I'm actually putting in. So in the particular setup at the moment, the real time data is telling us it's at 40 degrees C. It's telling us what the bath temperature is. It's telling us that I've got the heater on at 0.97 watts, and it's telling us the total power that the calorimeter is seeing as well. So we have configuration, real-time data, and then we actually have what's called Profinder automation, and this really is a drag and drop system where you can write a series of commands so that the system will basically be automated. So what I've done here is I've got a start log, and then I've got a stop log, and in between it I've written a series of things like stirrer speed, validation power. I put no power in. I have a condition, how long I'm going to do that for. I then have a new set point, which is and how long I'm going to do that for. So I've basically got a series of events, and the program at the moment is running through these events and ticking them off as it successfully goes through them. And so we're probably in condition set here, and we're not passing on to validation power here. Then we have event logs. It tells me what the calorimeter is up to. So I can see that it's set its stirrer speed to 200 RPM. Basically did a validation power of 0 watts, then did a validation power of 1 watt, so I can sort of see the events. I have a graph, so I can turn things on and off. I can change the axis on which I see things. And what I'm looking at the moment is I see the validation heater come on, and then I see the power in the reactor respond accordingly. So I have graphs, and then I have the ability to add notes as well. So the software is quite straightforward. You have configurations, you have preset configurations, or you create new ones. You have your real-time window, where you can basically just get the calorimeter going just really quickly. You can write, I've written quite a simple set of commands here. It's very linear. I start and I end, but actually you can put in all sorts of loops and conditions, so you can have quite sophisticated experiments. You have an event log. It's very useful for kind of finding out if something went wrong or for what reason. Obviously graphs, which you can export. You can add notes, and at the end of your experiment you can come back, and I'll do another video on this on how to analyze the data in the CC report. Okay, I hope that's useful as a sort of introduction to the ChemiCall software from Cirrus. Thank you very much.